O ki te ora ki te whai o ki te o mārama. Whiti ki runa, whiti ki rā. E nunu ki te pōhatu, e nunu ki te rākau. Titaha ki tēnei taha, titaha ki tērā taha. O tihe mauri ora. So this is matai, the fourth of our big giant trees. We call them the rangatira or the chiefs. This is probably the hardest or the densest out of the 5 trees, which made it the best for weapons, the best to carve meeting houses. Nowadays, sometimes we might do carvings from another type of wood and paint it the same as matai. So when we're younger, we get taught the 3 most important fern. Okay, so one is used for clothing, one is used for medicine, and the other one is edible. The one that might be used for clothing is this stuff. Okay, we call it kakahu moku. Kakahu's clothing, moku is the name of this fern. Reason it was used because the leaf grows very close together and it's quite well insulated, water resistant. So usually it was weaved onto a garment, layer upon layer. On the inside you layer it with bird feathers. So this stuff keeps you dry and the bird feathers will keep you warm inside. So we talked about the kakahu moku, the clothing fern. This one is the medicinal fern. Okay, and that's how we identify it, by that leaf. And if you look up you can see more. But what you want from this though is that bit there. Okay, so this acts like a natural anesthetic or a natural painkiller. If you had a toothache, all you do is break this up, boil it for 15 to 30 minutes and rinse and spit, and that'll just numb all the pain. So it's like a nerve plant. You could use it on babies growing teeth, dip it in hot water, rub it on their gums. But for our people, we saw this as medicine first and then food. Our warriors would eat this all the time, you know, to help them cope with war, and only just eat it raw. We call this leaf tarata, so it's coming off this tree here. If you had blocked nose, okay, and blocked sinuses, this is probably your best plant because it's full of citrus and vitamin C. It's very good to help clear nostrils.